By now, we all know that oats is very healthy. Today, during the lockdown, you all can make it with the ingredients available at home. So let's quickly check for the ingredients. First, I'll tell you the vegetables that I have taken for this. 2 small size carrots in small pieces, 5 to 6 French beans, 2 medium sized tomatoes, 1 medium sized capsicum, 2 small pieces of pumpkin, 2 medium sized onion, 1 green chilli, palak which I have chopped and soaked in warm water, so blanched palak, 10 to 12 pieces of prawns which I have washed, deveined and cleaned and then cut into small pieces and then marinated with salt and haldi. 1 cup of tuar daal. This is my most favorite. However, I have tried with all other dal, right, like moong dal, masoor dal, so you can use any dal of your choice. 1 cup oats. In spices, 1 teaspoon jeera, 1 teaspoon haldi, 1.5 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 2 teaspoon dhania powder, 1 teaspoon jeera powder, some ghee and 2 tablespoons of oil. I am using olive oil. You can use any other type of white oil and water. So this is the ingredients, guys. One thing, vegetables I am using as per my choice. You can add and omit as per your choice and availability. Let's quickly start cooking. Turn the gas on. Tablespoons of olive oil goes in. Once the oil is hot, I will be adding the cumin seeds or jeera. The jeera crackles for a while.
Vegetarian people can prepare this recipe without prawns as well.
Then you add the onions. Keep the gas on high flame now. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. The ingredients that I have told you will serve 2 people. So the onions are fried for a while now, 1 to 2 minutes. And now I'll be adding the tomato in. You can keep the gas on high flame and cook it for a while. We'll cook this for 1 to 2 minutes. This is the time I have just put the gas on medium flame and I'm putting the lid on. When our veggies are getting prepared, in another pan, I'll prepare my prawns. Heat the pan. Heat the pan and add 1 teaspoon of oil, and once the oil is hot, add the prawns to lightly fry it. Prawn is getting lightly fried. Remember, we don't overcook or over fry our prawns. Just turn it to the other side and cook it for a couple of more seconds. Yeah, the prawn is cooked. I have hardly cooked the entire thing for 1 minute or so. See, this is how we want the prawns to be like. Also ensure that once this is fried, you take the juice as well from the pan. I have already removed it. See the juice that comes out, adds extra flavor. Let's check the veggies. Nice and soft, the onion and tomato. This is the perfect time for us to add other vegetables. I'm adding all my veggies in this. So I have added everything in this. Give it a good mix. Keep the gas on high flame now. Let everything get cooked for good 3 to 4 minutes. This time I will also add some green chilli in this. Now that it's getting cooked, let's keep the gas on medium flame and put the lid on. It's already been 3 to 4 minutes now. See, the veggies are getting nicely cooked, and now is the time I will be adding the spices. I'm adding haldi, red chilli powder. Again, red chilli powder is according to your taste. Dhania powder and jeera powder. Remember, dhania powder will add little more flavor to this, hence the quantity is a bit more. Let's give it a quick stir. This is the time when you need to add little water so that your spices don't get burned. Very little. I have added very little water, as you can see, and keep the gas on medium flame. Like this, we need to cook the veggies for another 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, these are almost cooked now. Nicely fried with masalas and well coated with the masalas as well. This is the time I will be adding the dal. This dal, as I had mentioned earlier, I had taken 1 cup of tuar dal which I had soaked for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Just fry the dal with the veggies now, and also add the oats, 1 cup of oats as we had measured in there. Give it a good mix with everything together. I have cooked this for a minute or 2, not more than that, and I am adding the palak, chopped and blanched palak that I had cooked. Give it a good mix. This is the time when we will be adding water. So I have finished adding water. Approximately I have added 5 cups of water. So for 1 cup of soaked dal and 1 cup of oats, approximately 5 cups of water. Now keep it on high flame, of course, and wait to get a nice boil. So after 3 to 4 minutes, it will start boiling like this. Then all you need to do is put the lid on and keep the gas in medium to high flame. This roughly takes about 20 to 25 minutes to get the perfect consistency of the khichdi, like the way I want. After 10 minutes, see guys, looks already beautiful. This is the time we need to add the prawns in it. I'll just put the gas in simmer and start adding the prawns along with the juice. You can also taste the salt and adjust it at this time if you want to. Let's add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Give this a good mix. Again, we will have to cook this for another 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Now I'm keeping it in medium to high flame again and putting the lid on. So this recipe is perfect for those days when you don't have much time to prepare those elaborate meals, and it will take 15 to 20 minutes for you to prepare all the ingredients, and then additionally it will take another 45 minutes to 1 hour for cooking. So once you are ready with the ingredients, just start cooking it, and this time when the last portion, when it's taking little longer, you can just keep the gas on and do your other work, just to reduce the time of entire cooking and do better time management. So another 10 minutes are gone by and it's completely ready. See how good it looks. The full meal in itself. I'm just turning off the gas, and meanwhile just roasting a papad to be served with this. So the final product looks like this. It's really delicious. People who complain that oats is healthy but not tasty, trust me guys, this is one of the recipes will prove the statement wrong. You will really love it. And also one more thing, I have added prawns, which truly enhances the taste. But for my friends who are vegetarian, can completely do away with the prawns and make it with all the vegetables. It will really be tasty for you guys as well. And you can also make vegetable oats khichdi. Please do let me know how have you prepared it and if you liked it or not, and do subscribe to my channel to know more such recipes. If you like it, please do hit the like button.